Hello students, welcome back with the same chapter, Planning in Sports, Unit 1. So students, today we will cover the theory of fixtures, buys and seeding. Okay, so what is fixtures for? Fixtures, it is a type of schedule, list of some sports or physical activities which must be played or performed on particular date and time as it is fixed. It is basically planned process of any sports tournament. There are many type of fixtures that are fixed according to the time, ground, equipments, official, etc. So, next is a buy. What is buy? Buy. Team which gets the buy will not play in the first round. Means the team which will get a buy will not play first match. Okay. Buy is a privilege given to a team generally by drawing a lots, exempting it from playing a match in the first round. Okay. So this is called buy. Means we will not give chance, we will give a benefit to the previous winner team who will get a buy. So next we are having a seeding. Seeding is given to some special teams or those teams which are winner or runners up of the last year tournament. So got it? The fixtures, buy and seeding. So now we will start the procedure. Procedure to draw fixtures in knockout tournament. Okay, in a knockout tournament, how we draw fixtures. So for that, few rules which we should be kept in mind. Okay, so what are that rules? The very first rule is a number of teams participating, means how many number of teams are participating. Okay, for example, if tournament we are conducting knockout, so we are having a 11 number of teams. Okay, number of matches to be played. Here it is very important. Teams we are having, now matches. So 4 matches we are having a formula. Okay, so we have to take out the matches with the formula. What is the formula? Number of team minus 1. What will come? The number of teams are 11. 11 minus 1. So how many matches we will play? The 10 matches will be there. Next is a total number of rounds played in the tournaments, and it is completely depends upon 2 things. The very first thing is the number of teams playing in the tournament. That is clear. How many number of teams are playing? And next is the highest and nearest number from the total number of teams in power of 2. Okay, that how we will take out the power of 2. For example, we are having a 11 number of teams. Okay, so we will see the highest power of 2 of team 11. For that, what we have to do? We will do with the formula 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So here we will count 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So we are having 16 is a power of 2, means highest power of 2 is a 16. Okay, so here power of 2 is a 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's why we will write 4 here. So this 4 will comes under a round, means we will cover 4 rounds. In this match we are having a 4 rounds, 11 teams, 10 match and 4 rounds will be there. So here next very important thing which we have to cover, that is how we will divide the teams. We are having 11 teams. Okay, suppose we are having 10 teams. So how we will divide? So here is a formula. If we are having a even number of teams, even number teams, we can say assume 10 teams are there, 8 teams are there, 12 teams are there. Then there is a formula that is n upon 2. Okay, for the even teams. Got it? So how we will solve? 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. Means we will divide 5 teams in upper half and lower half. Got it? Now here if we are having odd teams, or teams means 11, 13, 15, so on. Okay, this way if we are having team, what we will do here, again we are having a formula to find the upper half teams. What we have to do, n plus 1 upon 2, which will come, suppose we are taking this 11 number of team. Okay, so number of team is 11 plus 1 upon 2. What will come here? 12 upon 2. So what is there? 6. So 6 will come, 6 teams will come in a upper half. Then lower half to find, n minus 1 upon 2. What will come here? 11 minus 1 upon 2. So here 10. Okay. So here means for upper half 6 teams and in lower half 5 teams. We will divide the teams like this in upper half and lower half. Hope you understood the way how we can divide the teams in upper half and lower half. How you will find the matches, how you can check the rounds. Hope this procedure is clear to you. Okay, so now next I will tell you about how to place by. Means by is not a word only that okay we will give chance to the previous winner team or runner team. This is not that only. We have to give in a particular way. There is a system. Okay, so what we have to do for that, first as we have discussed in this here, that we have to divide teams. We are having here odd teams. Okay, we are having odd. And for example, here we have to give 5 buys. 5 buys we have to give. How we will give the 5 buys to these 11 teams? So first we will do this 6. We will divide teams here. As we covered in a previously just now we covered that we will do the n plus 1, n minus 1 formula. So we have divided in a upper half. Here is the upper half. This is a lower half. So this portion will come under upper half. This portion will come under a lower half. Now we have to give by. Just carefully students, always what we have to do, we have to give a first by to our last team of a lower half. Okay, last team of a lower half we have to give by. Got it? So here we will write first by we have given to this team. Now second by we have to give the first team of a upper half. This process will be the same. Okay, always there is a no change. So first by we have to give in a lower half's last team. Second by we have to give upper half's first team. Now third by we have to give the first team of our lower half. Clear? And fourth by we have to give a last team of a upper half. Now one more by is left, that is fifth by, where we have to give, already we have covered. So again the process will be same. We will give this fifth by to the second last team of a lower half. If suppose we are having one more by, then where we will go? We will go to the second team of a upper half. Again if we are having, then we will come here. This is the second team of a lower half. Then again we will come here. So the next by or buys will be given in the same order as I described you. Okay, so hope it is clear to you all. If still you are having any doubt, so you are free to call me, to ask me anytime. Okay, so enjoy your day. Thank you.